That's been played between Sorbuk and Dhemazi. First powerful shot brings a point for Dhemazi. 1 love. Beautiful service it was. This one is lifted on the net. What a shot this was. Point goes in favor of Dhemazi. 3-2. Beautiful volley. Good receive. Lifted on the net. But it was a lollipop for Sorbuk, and point goes in favor of Sorbuk again. 5-3 is the score. 5-3. What a service this was. This one is lifted in the back. Smashing shot, and point goes in favor of Dhemazi this time. 4-5. Jersey number 5 is with the service. This one is lifted in the backcourt. There is protection in the beat. This has been passed successfully. This one is lifted in the back again. Blocks it well. Signal comes from the referee, and point goes in favor of Sorbuk. 6-4. Beautiful volley. What a service this was. This one is lifted in the back. Good smashing shot. There is protection in the backcourt. This one is lifted in the corner. Good smashing shot. Blocks it well again. Good piece of placement, but there is an alert player. What a piece of placement this is. Point goes to Dhemazi. 5-6. Good and simple one. What a piece of placement again. Point goes in favor of Dhemazi again. The score is leveled 6-all. Good and simple service. This one is lifted in the back. Good smashing shot from the backcourt. There is protection in the backcourt. Good piece of placement again. Some consecutive points goes in favor of Dhemazi. Good smashing shot. There is protection in the deep again. This one is passed successfully. This one is lifted in the corner. Blocks it well. And the point goes in favor of Sorbuk. Score is leveled again. 7-all. Sorbuk. This one is lifted in the corner. Good piece of placement again. Service. Beautiful volley. Beautiful service. This one is lifted in the corner. Good piece of placement. Yet again, we have seen a beautiful game so far. And point all. Good placement. Here we go. Beautiful service, beautiful receive. Lifted in the back. There is no block in the net, and as a result, point goes in favor of Sorbuk. Score is level once again, 9-all. Beautiful service. Good piece of placement. This one was lifted on the net, and it was a good smashing shot to win a point. To get a point, point goes in favor of Sorbuk. Score is leveled once again, 10-all. Goes in favor of Sorbuk. Here is the service. Good and simple one. This one is lifted in the back. Good smashing shot it was. Blocks it well, and point goes in favor of Dhemazi again. 11-10 now. Beautiful shot. Good smashing shot. Signal comes from the referee, and the score is leveled once again. 11-all. Beautiful service, but it was unfortunate for them as the ball landed outside the court. Missed out the service, and the point is given away to Dhemazi this time. 12-11 now. Good and simple service this time once again. What a shot this was. Absolute beauty, and point goes in favor of Sorbuk. Again score is leveled 12-all. Beautiful service. It was a beautiful service. It was a beamer in the real sense. This one is lifted in the corner. There is no protection on the net, and this time Sorbuk is leading by 1 point. 13-12 now. Points give them a lead now. Beautiful receive and place it successfully. This one is lifted in the backcourt, blocks it well. This one is lifted in the back. Good smashing shot on the backcourt, and point goes in favor of Dhemazi. 13-14 now, 15 now. Dhemazi, it was a beautiful service. Good placement. Good piece of placement. Point goes in favor of Demazi again. 2 consecutive points. 14-15 now. 14-15. Good and simple service once again. This one is lifted in the back, blocks it well, but it was not good enough. And as a result, point goes in favor of Sarvuk. 16-14 now. Here is the service. Lifted in the corner. It was a powerful shot, but there was protection enough to block the ball. But signal comes from the referee, and the point goes in favor of Demazi. 15-16. Good service. Good receive. Lifted in the back. Good smashing shot from the back court. It was passed successfully. This has been a good game so far. Good piece of placement. And there was no one to return the ball. Point. This one is lifted in the corner. Good smashing shot, but there is protection in the deep. Good placement. Another signal comes from the referee as the point goes in favor of Sarvuk. 15 is the score. Good shot. Another point. Beautiful service. This one is lifted in the back. Good smashing shot from the back court, and the point goes in favor of Demazi. 16-19. Beautiful service. Good receive. Lifted in the corner. There is block. This one is lifted in the corner once again. Good piece of placement, but it was not good enough once again as the point goes in favor of Sarvuk. 20-16. Good and simple service this was. This one is lifted in the corner. Good return. Good return. This one is lifted in the back. Good smashing shot once again. Some powerful shots we have seen so far, and the final point goes in favor of Sarvuk. 21-16. Here is the service once again. Point goes in favor of Demazi this time as the signal comes from the referee. 17-21 now. Demazi. Good and simple service. This one is lifted on the net, and it was a powerful, beautiful service once again. This one is lifted in the back. Good smashing shot, but there is protection in the back court. This one is lifted in the corner. Good smashing shot. The ball. Hello. So after a short interval, I would like to announce the score. Demazi 5, Sarvuk 3. 5-3. Service goes in favor of Demazi. Beautiful service. This one is lifted in the corner. Good smashing shot, but there is protection in the deep. But signal comes from the referee as the point goes in favor of Sarvuk. Good service, good receive, lifted in the corner. Yet another point goes in favor of Sarvuk. Here is the service. Score is level. 5-all. Good smashing shot. Good smashing shot from the back. Here is the service. Beautiful one. Good smashing shot, but blocks it properly, and point goes in favor of Sarvuk once again. 7-5 now. Good. Beautiful service. Good receive. This one is lifted on the net, and there is protection in the deep. Good smashing shot, but the ball landed outside the court this time, and point goes in favor of Demazi. 6-7 now. Demazi. Simple one. This one is lifted on the net, and the ball landed in the no man's land, and point goes in favor of Sarvuk this time. 8-7. Beautiful placement. Lifted in the corner. Good smashing shot, powerful one, and point goes in favor of Sarvuk once again. 9-7. Demazi will have to win this set if they have to go to the decider. Good return. This one is lifted in the corner, and point goes in favor of Demazi. 8-9. What a shot! What a shot this was! It was a beautiful shot, and point goes in favor of Sarvu. 10-8 now. 10-8. Beautiful volley. Good receive. This was not lifted properly. Oh, it was returned successfully. There is protection in the deep as well. Lifted in the back. Good shot from the backcourt, but he was not successful, and the point goes in favor of Sarvu. Beautiful service. It was an absolute beauty. Good smashing shot. Blocks it well, and the point goes in favor of Dhemazi this time. 9-11. Dhemazi is with the service. Good and simple one. This one is lifted in the back. Good and simple service once again. Lifted in the corner. Missing shot, but it was outside the court, and point goes in favor of Sarvu. Good piece of placement. Outside the court. Point goes to Dhemazi. Good piece of placement once again. Point goes in favor of 12 now. Good placement. Lifted in the corner. Blocks it well, but beautiful service once again. Good smashing shot. It was a powerful one. Will it be returned? Yes, it is. Lifted in the corner once again. Smashing shot again. What a return this is. What a return this was. And finally point goes in favor of Dhemazi. 14-15 now. Beautiful service once again. It was a beauty. It was an absolute beauty, and point goes in favor of Sarvu. 16-14. 16-14. Point goes in favor of Sarvu once again. 17-14 now. In the corner once again, good smashing shot, and point goes to Dhemazi. 16-18. 16-18. Beautiful service and beautiful return as well. Good smashing shot, but outside the court, and point goes to Sarvu once again. 20-16 now. Beautiful service once again. Good smashing shot, and a point goes in favor of Dhemazi this time. 17-20. The service. Point goes in favor of Dhemazi. 2 consecutive points, bringing some hopes for them. 18-20. 18-20. Good and simple service once again. This one was lifted on the corner, and point goes in favor of Dhemazi once again. 19-20 now. Beautiful service. Good and simple. Block, but there was no one to return the ball, and as a result, point goes in favor of Sarvu. 21-19. Outside the court, I think. No. 21-24. Good shot. Good piece of placement. Blocks it well, and here it is. Point goes in favor of Sarvu. They have won the second set as well. 2 consecutive points won by Sarvu. The second set was won at the score of 25.